Hi, welcome to this quick look around the AMG Mercedes DTM car for 2018 at the Geneva Motor Show in 2018. So we're having a quick look around. This is a very, very highly modified, pure thoroughbred race car. So we've got massive cannons and wheel arch extensions at the side, big carbon splitter along the front, coming up down the side, massive amounts of aero and carbon fibre work in there. This is on the Petronas stand, so lots of Petronas green across the car. Similar line markings down on the side skirt, almost a diffuser really, for the airflow, as the F1 cars are obviously tying all the Mercedes motorsport into the same. And then we come round to the top supported rear wing. Absolutely massive. Officially based off a C-Class coupe, but there's a lot of difference between this car and that. We'll have a quick see if we can see anything down towards the interior. Obviously full race car, stripped out, carbon fibre in there. Not a lot, a tiny little screen, a tiny little wheel we can just about see in there. Full roll cage, but pure thoroughbred race car. So this has been the first quick look around the C63 DTM car from Mercedes for the 2018 season. Hopefully we'll get an opportunity to go and see these in the UK, actually live on track in the near future. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe.